selling Ghana, selling Africa, selling to the world. My name is Mondo. Me a high life artist. Me pamacho video be air trendy on social media concerning polo. Any certain lady or issues. Na me so na me gina finfin me try say me separate. Me pamacho Ghana for me the chopper fa obi aso se mo polo cho mama. Because that lady, me baby, I'm not married. Me worry. And the lady baby, a free baby, and that lady should go there and talk to the people. Because I'm going to deal with them. I'm going to deal with them drastically. Because me baby, who free for all this while. You started say a track video. Oh, my session send me brave. Send a sad track, particular track. You trying the video. No, more said it is a moment. I didn't But no, baby, I'm planning my pony piano. It's not going to work. What I say from the beginning of a new way, and I'm not try some of the and video no crown, and who says Sembebre happened. But me, I want to tell you people, say, Moon Timin bring me down. You cannot pull me down. You can never pull me down. Polo, I'm very sorry. I am very, very, very sorry. Mama, those called celeb. Please apologize to your daughter for me. Apologize to her on my behalf. Me pa ocho mama. Can be no mama. On fan me. Because lady no me baby free and I'm going to deal with them. So Queen Polo, I am very sorry. I'm very sorry. Forgive me. Forgive me. Thank you.